Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you had a fantastic, fabulous, wonderful weekend. I know that I did. Today we are going to be getting into a new genre titled or called um, narrative nonfiction. Narrative nonfiction is where you have a story told like a cartoony type story, but it's actually real life facts and information, and usually like a biography where they're telling about somebody's life in real life, but it's told as a story with cartoons. All right, so today's riddle, the answer to Friday's riddle is water. And today's riddle is, it's good to stretch and push my limits. The more you use me, the stronger I get. When I am sharp, I am at my best. What am I? Let me know on the next slide.